So Chevrolet nailed everything with this truck. The styling is amazing. I can't imagine looking much better, but I'm sure they're gonna come out with something better in the next model. The lighting on this truck is awesome. It's got LED headlights, LED running lights, LEDs everywhere, but they didn't do the turn signals. And that is a huge pitfall and a fail on them, and we're gonna fix that today. The LEDs flash slowly, they're halogens, and they're not very bright, and they're not very safe. So we're gonna bump that up, and we're gonna do something a little bit better with some Lasfit LED lights. I've used Lasfit lights in the past, and they've been amazing, most recently on my Fusion, where I did all four of the headlights, the high beam and the low beam, and I paid for them with my own money. I actually reached out to Lasfit this time around, and they sent me turn signals for free. I don't owe them anything, this isn't sponsored, but I just thought I'd let you know that I did get the lights for free. But it will not change my opinion on these lights at all. If I plug them in and they don't work, I'm gonna let you know that. If they're not bright, if there's something wrong with them, we're gonna find that out. So here's the stock bulb. So we're gonna take this one out and we're gonna pop this one in. And this is what you get. So we're gonna pop this back in, and we're gonna do a quarter turn, and then we'll see what they look like. So that is a pretty big difference over that. That is definitely a great upgrade. It's gonna be way brighter and gonna be safer going down the road. So we're gonna do the passenger side and we'll see what they look like. So I was actually doing the other side, and I heard about this, that if you put the bulb in wrong, it won't work. So when I tried it, it didn't work. So we're gonna take it out and I'm gonna show you how to flip it around, put it back in, and it will work. So you got the bulb, and if it doesn't work when you try it, you pull it back out, spin it around 180, pop it back in, and we'll try it now. All right, before I cut it, I will just turn it on and I'll show you that it works. There we go. So if you do install it and it doesn't work, you can just pull it out, flip it around 180. There's nothing wrong with it. You just had the bulb in wrong. So there you go. Easy upgrade, and it brings your truck to the 21st century for no amount of money. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick them up. I will leave a link on Amazon and to their website. I do get a small commission that helps support the channel so that I can bring you more content like this, and you know what? Helps me out. If you would, I would appreciate a like and subscribe, and I'll leave you some video footage of later tonight when it gets a little bit darker. After a couple of minutes running the hazards, they actually did start flashing a little bit faster, but it's not too noticeable, and I wouldn't really consider it a hyper flash, so that is something to be aware of if you're sitting on the side of the road and they start flashing on and off just slightly faster than what they started.